pardon me. Hi, Fun Kid Club. That, you know, is C-3PO, and that is GORT. I hope that you checked out our making video because he was a really easy one to make. And GORT was a giant robot. He's like 8-10 feet tall, something like that, in the day the Earth stood still. He came here with his humanoid friend, Klaatu, and they came to make sure that the Earth was going to abide by universal principles of peace. Funny thing is, the way that they came is GORT was designed as a weapon, and with his laser vision, he could shoot out lasers that would vaporize all kinds of weapons. GORT was from 1951, the day the Earth stood still, and you can see how the slick lines of GORT are reflected in the design of C-3PO. We love the old sci-fi shows, and if you've never watched one, watching them will give you a really good idea of where more current movies got many of their ideas. Klaatu and GORT came in a flying saucer, not like the more complicated ships of Star Wars. They're pretty amazing. And the graphics now, but they wouldn't have those kind of graphics if it hadn't been for the early movies, like The Day the Earth Stood Still. Are you ready to open up this GORT and find out all the fun robot and droid surprises inside? Okay, Fun Kid Club, I have one of my little sci-fi fans here to help me out. We'll vaporize GORT. You want to vaporize GORT? Ready, go! I'm gonna pop it like this. Ready? Pop! Whoop! There he is. That's GORT from the day the Earth stood still. How'd we do? GORT, like C-3PO, in this case, is a wind-up tin toy. Let's see what he does. Can you see any similarities between the styling of GORT and the styling of C-3PO? This one's a little harder to tell because he's kind of a rounded version of C-3PO, but C-3PO is built very much like GORT, isn't he? GORT's cool. There's another tin bot. This is a very retro styling. Okay, what else? There's another one. This is Robbie. What do you call that kind of spaceship?
Alien spaceship.
Flying alien spaceship? Yes. It's oftentimes we call it a flying saucer. This looks really similar to the spaceship that GORT and Klaatu came to Earth in the day the Earth stood still. What else we got? There he is, C-3PO. Oh, we like him. He talks a lot and he knows so many languages, but he's a very loyal servant. Hard to see in these bright lights, isn't it? Oh, this one's cool. That's an old style robot. We like him. If you look up on YouTube, giant Halloween robot, you will see one that looks just like this, but he's like 17 feet tall. It's a yard decoration. Crazy! It's R2-D2. Yay, R2! Lost in space. Oh, yikes! Guns blazing and then they roll up. Have you ever seen those in the Star Wars movies?
No.
They're crazy! That's a lot of robots! And that's just a small number of the robots that we love. So what do you think? Similarities? Give us a thumbs up if you like GORT. I say we have a little bit of robot frenzy and wind up some toys and let them go. I guess we know who would win in a race. Winner! We love it when you come and hang out with us at Fun Kid Club.